Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn simplification using only plus and minus. So this is simply plus 7 plus 3 by 5. In general, how you will do this? Denominator will be 5. 7 into 5 it is 35 plus 3. It will be 38 by 5. Now you divided this number, you will get 735, it will be 3. So 7 3 by 5. But there is a trick. If the number is like this, simply write it down without the plus sign. See, this is the second example. 11 1 by 3 plus 9 1 by 2. So how can you write this? You can write this 11 plus 1 by 3 plus 9 plus 1 by 2. So plus these whole numbers 11 plus 9 and separately plus these fractions. So now you know this is 11 plus 9 it is 20 and plus this will be LCM of 3 and 2 will be the denominator, it will be 6 and numerator will be 3 plus 2. So it is 20 plus 5 by 6. We can write this like 25 by 6. See this example 2 3 by 5 plus 1 5 by 7. What you will do? First plus this whole number 2 plus 1 it is 3 and plus this fractions 5 by 7. Okay, now see the denominator will be 5 into 7 it is 35 and numerator will be 7 into 3 21 plus 5 into 5 25. So it will be 46. See, here it is improper fraction because the denominator is less than the numerator. So divided this, you will get 111 by 35. So you write here 111 by 35. Now plus this two whole number, it is 3 plus 1, it is 4, and now write down the fraction. It will be the answer. Now what about the minus sign? So here you can simplify this like 35 minus 5, it is 30 by 7. You will get from here 4 2 by 7. I will tell you how to do this simplification faster. The whole number will be 1 less than this number. So 5 minus 1 it will be 4 and then the denominator will be same, here 7 and the numerator will be difference of these two numbers, only difference, not with sign. So difference of 7 and 5 it will be 2. Let's do the another example. Here the whole number is 7. So 1 less from this whole number it is 6 and now the denominator will be same here 9 and difference between these two number will be the numerator. So difference between these two number 2 and 9 it will be 7. So this is the number. See, this is the another example. We can write this like 3 plus 2 by 5 minus, and you can write this 2 plus 1 by 3, right? So 3 plus 2 by 5 minus 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay, so 3 minus 2 it will be 1 and plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3. It will be, the denominator will be 15 and it will be 6 minus 5. So 1 plus 1 by 15. So it will be 1 by 15. So next example is this. So how can we write this? 12 plus 4 minus 3 minus 11 plus 12 plus 3 by 4, so 3 by 4. 4 plus 2 by 5, so plus 2 by 5. This is minus of 3 plus 1 by 3, so minus 3 minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. And this is 11 plus 2 by 3. So minus of 11 plus 2 by 3, it will be minus 11 minus 2 by 3. Now add this. 12 plus 4, it will be 16 minus 3 minus 11, so it will be minus 14. Plus, what will be the LCM of 4, 3 and 5? You will get 60. And numerator will be so it will be 2 plus 9 by 60. The numerator and denominator is divisible by 3. So 3. So the answer will be 2 plus 3 by 20. So we can write it 2, 3 by 20.